Good day class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 4.3 of class 7. Question number first is solve the following equations. 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Okay. So we know that first of all what we have to do is, if there is a term which don't have any variable, then first we have to transfer this to the which side? Right hand side. Okay, so it will be 2y equals 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. It was positive in nature, and when it is transposed it will be negative in nature. So it will be 2y equals to 37 minus 5. So 2y equals 37 minus 5 is 32 upon 2. Okay, and it will be 16. So 2y equals to 16. Okay, what will be the value of y? Y will be 16 divided by what? 2. Why 2 is there? Okay, so what we have to do is 2y is equal to 16, then y should be 16 upon 2, because 2 is transposed to which side? Right hand side, and here it was in multiplication with y, so it will be transposed and there it will be in divide. So 2 under 2, 2 8s are 16, y equals to 8. Okay. Next is 5t plus 28 equals to 10. 5t plus 28 equals to 10. So 5t plus 28 equals to 10. It will be 5t equals to 10 minus 28. 5t equals to, what is 10 minus 28? It's 18. It will be minus 18, and t will be minus 18 by 5, or we can change it into what? Mixed fraction. So 5 3s are 15, 3 upon 5. Done. Next question is a upon 5 plus 3 equals to 2. A upon 5 plus 3 equals to 2. So I can say that a upon 5 equals to 2 minus 3. A upon 5 equals to minus 1. So a will be minus 1 into 5. A equals to minus 5. Okay. Next is q upon 4 plus 7 equals to 5. It was as simple as it was. Okay. What we have to do is, first of all, change the side of 7. It will be minus 7. And then it was upon 4. Then it will be multiplied by 4. So I am doing question number E. 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 10. 5 upon 2x equals to minus 10. So what I have to do is, x equals to minus 10. The 2 was dividing x. So what we have to do? We have to change side. It will be multiplied 2. And the 5 was multiplying with x, and when we change inside it will go in the divide this. So x will be, what is 5 to the 10? It will be minus 4. Answer. Next is 5 upon 2x is equal to 25 by 4. 5 upon 2x equals to 25 by 4. So x will be, we know that 25 by 4 was already there. This 2 will go and multiply by 25. And this 5 will go and multiply by 4 as divided. What is 2 on the 2 and 2 to the 4? 5 on the 5 and 5 are 25. X will be 5 by 2, or we can say that 2 1 by 2. Okay. Next is 7m plus 19 by 2 equals to 13. 7m plus 19 by 2 equals to 13. Next is 7m plus 19 by 2 equals to 30. So does it 19 by 2 contains a variable? No, then we have to shift this to that side. So 7m equals to 13 minus 19 by 2. So 7m equals to LCM will be 2. It will be 26 minus 19. So 7m equals to 7 upon 2. This is multiplying with the 7 and it will be transposed to that side. So m will be 7 upon 2 upon 7. What is 7 done? So m will be 1 by 2. Okay. Next is 6 plus z equals to minus 2. So this is as easy as it was. Okay, I am doing question number J. 2b upon 3 minus 5 equals to 3. 2b upon 3 minus 5 equals to 3. So first of all, 2b upon 3 equals to 3 plus 5. 2b equals to 8 upon 3. And what is b equals to? 8 multiplied by 3 and upon 2. It will be 4. B equals to 12. Okay. This was our question number 1. Next is question number 2. Question number 2. Solve the following equations. First equation is 2 bracket x plus 4 equals to 12. 2 bracket x plus 4 equals to 12. Okay. So listen class, what we have to do is we have to multiply this by all these two terms. Okay. So what will be 2 multiplied by x? It will be 2x plus 2 multiplied by 4. It will be 8 equals to 12. So now 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. X will be 2. This is your answer. Isn't it easy? You must know that 2 multiplied by x and then we have to multiply this by again 4. Okay. So I am doing question number D, which is minus 4 bracket 2 plus x is equal to 8. Okay. So minus 4 into 2 it will be minus 8. Minus 4 into x it will be minus 4x equals to 8. So as we know this 8 doesn't have any variable, so we have to transfer it first. So minus 4x equals to 8 plus 8. It was negative, then there it goes as positive. So what x will be? It will be 16 upon, okay, it will be 16 minus 4x. In this next step, the 4 will be transferred to that side. So x will be 16 upon 4. Okay. So minus x will be 4. What we have to do? We have to multiply both sides by minus 1. So minus 1 into this, it will be positive, and minus 1 into 4, it will be minus 4. This is the final answer. Or you can literally say that we will transfer this minus to that side. Okay. Next question is 4 2 minus x equals to 8. 4 2 minus x equals to 8. Okay. So what we have to do? Multiply 4 by 2. It will be 8 minus 4 into x minus 4x equals to 8. First we have to transfer this 8 to that side. So minus 4x is equal to 8 minus 8. Minus 4x equals to 0. So x will be 0 upon minus 4. So x is equal to 0. This is our final answer. Okay. So class, this was question number 2. Next is question number 3. Listen class. Solve the following equations. First question is 4 equals to 5p minus 2. Question the third. First. 4 equals to 5p minus 2. 4 equals to 5p minus 2. 5p minus 2. Okay. So what we have to do is, first of all, open the bracket. So it will be 4 equals to 5 into p will be 5p, and 5 into 2 it will be 10. So what we have to do, we have to first transfer this 10 to other side. So it will be 4 plus 10 equals to 5p. So 10 plus 4 will be 14 equals to 5p, and we have to find the variable p. So p equals to 14 by 5. This is the final answer. Okay, next question is minus 4 equals to 5p minus 2. Minus 4 equals to 5p minus 2. Okay, so what we have to do first, multiply this 5 by p and 5 by 2, it will be 10. Transfer this 10 to this side. So minus 4 minus plus 10 equals to 5p. 10 minus 4 equals to 6 equals to 5p, and p equals to 6 by 5. Or we can say that p is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, all of you know that how to change into mixed fraction. Next is C. 16 equals to 4 plus 3t plus 2. 4 plus 3 bracket t plus 2. Okay, so 16 equals to 4 plus 3 multiplied by t, it will be 3t. 3 plus 2, 3 to the 6. Okay, 16 equals to, what is 6 plus 4? It will be 10 plus 3t. First of all, what we have to do, we have to change the side of 10. So it will be 16 minus 10 equals to 3t. 16 minus 10 equals to 6 equals to 3t, and t equals to 6 upon 3. So t will be 2. Okay. Done. Next question is 4 plus 5p minus 1 equals to 34. Okay, next question is 4 plus 5p minus 1 equals to 34. 4 plus 5p minus 4 equals 34. Okay, sorry. Okay, class, next question is 4 plus 5p minus 1 equals 34. 4 plus 5p minus 1 equals 34. Okay, so what we have to do is first multiply this 5 by all of them. So 4 plus 5p minus 5 equals 34. So this 4 and this 5 will be minus 1. So 5p minus 1 equals 34. Shift that p to that side. So 5p equals 34 plus 1. So 5p equals 35. So p will be 35 upon 5. P equals to 7. Okay. Next is 0 equals to 16 plus 4m minus 6. 0 equals to 16 plus 4m minus 6. 4 bracket m minus 6. Okay. So 0 equals to 16 plus 4 into m will be 4m, and 4 into minus 6 will be minus 24. Okay. So 0 equals to, what is 16 and minus 24? 16 and minus 24 will be minus 8. So it will be 4m minus 8. So what we have to do, first of all, shift that 8 to this side. So 8 equals to 4m and m equals to 8 upon 4. So m equals to 2. Answer. Okay class. Okay class, in question number 4, we have to construct 3 equations starting from x equals to 2. So I am making only one equations. What you can do is you can do more of them. Okay, what is given is x equals to 2. So first, x equals to 2. Okay, what I am doing is multiply both sides by 2. So it will be x multiplied by 2 equals to 2 multiplied by 2. So we can say that 2x is equal to 4. Then subtract 8 from both sides. What we have to do? Subtract 8 from both sides. So it will be 2x minus 8 equals to 4 minus 8, or we can say that, or 2x minus 8 equals to 4. What is 4 minus 8? Equals to minus 4. This is our equation. Okay. So what we have done is, our equation is 2x minus 8 equals to 4. This is our equation from x equals to 2. What you can do is, you can also make your own equation. Second is given x equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 2. So what we have to do is just add 2 to both sides. Add 2 to both sides. Okay. So it will be x plus 2 equals to minus 2 plus 2. So x plus 2 equals to 0. Done. Now what we can do is multiply both sides by 8. Multiply both sides by 8. So it will be 8 multiplied by x plus 2 equals to 0 into 8. Okay, listen class, what I am saying is multiply both sides by 8. Then we have to divide this both number by 8 and this number also by 8. So it will be 8x plus 16 equals 0. This is our equation. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have to do only 2 more equations that you can do yourself. And if there is problem, you can ask me. Thank you class. So class, watch my next video for exercise number 4.4. Thank you.